Certainly, indeed. In this elaborate endeavor, we embark upon a meticulous task where precision meets persistence. Precision demands perseverance. Precision must be meticulously preserved under scrutiny. Precision shall be honed with care. As one might muse upon the intricate tapestries woven by countless hands, each thread contributing a distinct hue, yet merging into a singular wholesomeness that nearly transcends mere expectation. Such a vision requires not only technical mastery, but an intimate understanding of the subtle interplay between structure and sensitivity, as though navigating a labyrinth where every convolution whispers secrets and every contour demands unwavering attention. Within this framework, we confront contradictions that linger just beyond the edge of immediate comprehension, necessitating a suspension of disbelief that is both deliberate and resolute. Through the lens of deliberate observation, we discern patterns that emerge not through haste, but through sustained focus, each moment a stage in this elaborate comedy of human endeavor. Now it becomes paramount to delve deeper, to probe beneath the surface, to listen intently to the resonance within the silence, to absorb the nuances that lie latent yet palpable. Each syllable carried here holds the weight of potential revelation, each pause a catalyst for further insight. In this process, time transcends